Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am partnering with Palmer's to show you all their newest cocoa butter formula length retention collection. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So my hair is definitely in need of a little love. If you've seen my previous videos that I posted recently, you guys have seen that I've been wearing some wigs lately. So it's definitely time to give my natural hair some TLC. So of course I always start with just saturating it with water completely. So after I saturate my hair with water, my next step is to go straight into shampooing. And today I'm using the Length Retention shampoo as a part of this entire collection. And this shampoo is color safe, non-stripping, removes buildup, and it's also silicone free. So after I squeeze the amount into my hand, I noticed that it is super luxurious looking. It is shiny and creamy and really looks like it's going to nourish my hair. Just from the look of the shampoo, I can tell this is not going to be stripping because of its texture or the way it feels and the way it looks. So I'm just gonna work that onto my scalp, really focusing on my roots to get rid of all that buildup from the edge control and the gel from slicking my hair back for all those years. I mean, all that time. So after scrubbing my scalp, it's time to rinse the shampoo out. And when I rinsed it out, I was expecting a little bit of a stripped feeling because that's just what my hair feels like when it's clean. But I do know the difference of my hair feeling clean and my hair feeling stripped, and my hair just felt clean and ready for the next step. So next I'm using the Length Retention Biotin Pack, which is a product I was super excited about because this is a very concentrated strengthening treatment that smooths rough or damaged hair cuticles, deeply penetrates your hair, and also improves shine and manageability, and I needed all of that. So if you're familiar with the Palmer's protein pack from their coconut oil formula, the way that protein pack felt, that's how this biotin pack feels. They're very similar in consistency. So I started with about half the package and I just worked that into the ends of my hair first, and I really ended up using the entire package because I wanted to cover my hair from roots to tips. Now, I told you all in the beginning, my hair has not been combed well for a while, so I definitely have some knots and some mats and some tangles in here that were really enunciated by the water hitting my hair, but I was able to really loosen those pretty freely with this biotin pack, so I'm super excited to see what the deep conditioner is going to do. Now the biotin pack did not specify whether or not I should keep this product away from my roots, so I just covered my entire head of hair with it, but you can use your discretion when it comes to how much you want to saturate your hair with the biotin pack. However, once I rinsed it completely out of my hair, it was looking so healthy. My curls were clumping. I have not seen my hair look like this in a while. Next, I'm going to be using the Length Retention Deep Conditioner, and this is an intense revitalizing treatment that restores elasticity and shine and also seals in moisture. And this product is also silicone free, and as you can see, super thick. So the directions instruct you to apply this to your hair generously after shampooing and work it through your hair from root to tip. And then after you do that, you're supposed to allow it to penetrate for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to completely saturate my hair with this deep conditioner, and I'm using a lot because as you all can see, I've got some knots to work through and finger detangle through. So I'm gonna be using as much as I need to get my hair fully finger detangled, and then I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and let it sit. I probably let mine sit for about 15 minutes, but again, you can use your discretion with that as well. So after letting the deep conditioner set, I'm just taking off the shower cap that I used to trap in some indirect heat to allow for a little bit more penetration, and the shower cap, the plastic bag, shower cap, plastic bag, same. And my hair is feeling so much better than it did with just the water. As you can see, it has drank the deep conditioner up. The curls are popping, it feels soft, and I'm really so excited to style. Now, an important tip when it comes to rinsing your deep conditioner is to use cool water. I know a lot of people say use cool water when you rinse, but it really does make a world of a difference. My curls pop more when I use cool water, and it really seals the cuticle to allow your hair to look more shiny. So when I wash my hair, I always wrap it in a t-shirt or some type of microfiber towel while I get dressed because A, this keeps the water from dripping all over me while I'm trying to get myself together, and B, this allows my hair to quote unquote towel dry a little bit so that when I style it, I don't get as much shrinkage. So yes, I do style my hair damp, never wet. So next we have the Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner, and this is a strengthening system with fortifying protectants for optimal length. The bottle claims that this product instantly detangles, minimizes frizz, and reinforces strands. And let me tell you, I really love this leave-in conditioner. I'm not really a fan of those spray-on leave-in conditioners. There are a couple that I like, but this one being in a squeeze bottle with the type of consistency that it has, it feels like a hair milk, really agrees with my hair. So following the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using the hair and scalp oil. And this oil is supposed to instantly nourish and restore your hair and scalp. And I don't want to spoil the video for anyone, but at the end, you will see how shiny and soft my hair looks. So just imagine what it felt like. This really did, honestly, truly soften my hair instantly. The combination of the leave-in and the hair and scalp oil, yes. Yep, that was it. This is not a tutorial, but I will be doing a 3-strand twist out for my style today. Unfortunately, I did this first section wrong, so I had to go back and redo it, but you guys will see my twist technique in just a second here. But I wanted to tell you all a little bit about the main ingredients in these products and why your hair is going to love the cocoa butter and biotin combination. So cocoa butter contains nourishing properties that shield the hair strand from the harmful effects of styling damage, i.e. heat styling, tension, all of that. And the biotin helps to optimize the natural hair growth cycle and prevent hair from becoming brittle and fragile, which will in turn reduce breakage as well. So I really love that these products are geared towards the health of your hair and not just so much, you know, being shiny or being defined, but it really is geared towards your hair growing and you retaining that length. And I love that. So I'm just going to be finishing up my last twist and I'm gonna let my hair air dry. It's already halfway dry, so it shouldn't take too long. But after I finish up that last twist, I should have approximately 11 in my head. I do have fine hair, so 11 twists may be a chunky twist out on some people, but that is going to be a regular looking twist out on me just because my hair is so fine. So I'm gonna be letting that air dry and then I will be taking it down. After my hair was completely dry, I was shocked at how shiny and soft my twists were looking and feeling. I just knew that this was about to be bomb. I could not wait for the takedown. But before I unravel my twist, I'm taking my length retention GRAIL to unravel the twist with. So the directions instruct you to melt a pea-sized amount between your hands. You only need a little bit, and then smooth it onto your hair and scalp, concentrating on areas most prone to dryness, which is pretty much my whole head of hair. So I'm taking that pea-sized amount and rubbing it between my palms and making sure it gets on my fingertips. And yes, it does smell amazing. And I'm just gonna be rubbing my twist with the GRAIL and making sure I get at least a little bit onto my scalp. It does direct you not to use it on wet hair. You wanna use this on dry hair. So I really think that if you're in the heat styling and you wanna blow dry your hair, that this will be a good product for that. But I went ahead and just used a little bit because my hair was pretty moisturized from the leave-in and the hair and scalp oil. And then what I do is just twist my twist the opposite direction and separate all the sections and then undo the braid at the base. And I do that all around my head. So I unraveled all my twists and baby, looking good over here, okay? All right, I probably could have done more twists in the back, but it is okay. But now my next step is separating. So I'm just gonna be taking each section of a twist and separating it with my fingers. Now that doesn't necessarily mean forcing separation. I kind of try to look for where the hair naturally wants to separate and I finger coil the bottom to kind of hold that curl and make sure I minimize frizz. And that's really all I do to separate, is just pull strands from my sections. All right, so my favorite step and also the most stressful step is picking for volume. Now it's stressful because if you do too much, you can ruin your style, but if you don't do enough, your hair looks kind of small. So you really want to find that sweet spot for how to pick your hair. What I've learned is that it's good for me to use a plastic pick and to go in directly at the roots, not so much down the shaft of my hair, just because my hair is still kind of short and I don't really want a whole lot of frizz on day one. So I'm just picking and pulling up pieces of my hair because it'll get bigger throughout the week. Wow. Yeah, I think I'll put a clip of me speaking in here because guys, my twist outs haven't come out this nice since I was in college, which for reference, I graduated in 2019. It's now 2021. It's been a while since my hair has looked okay, in my opinion. And it just, you know, I did just trim my ends, but like, if you notice, nothing's frizzing, because these products, wow. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much to Palmer's for sponsoring today's content. Honestly, y'all think I'm lying. My hair hasn't looked like this in so long. These products are incredible. And if you all want to get your hands on your own Palmer's length retention products, they are sold at your nearest Walmarts, and the prices are pretty affordable in my opinion. And also, thank you all so much for coming to my channel and supporting. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. And if you'd like to keep up with me in day-to-day life, I'm on Instagram at _JAYBYDAY_J by day. That's me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.